It's Chris's birthday and it's also Mother's Day, and he got me this. I've seen a video. I know there's a lot of problems in the design, but it's Bandai's first perfect grade. And come on, it's Evangelion Unit 1. Get out of the way, Freddie. Say hi. Come on, Mother's Day. Shinji's mother. Get this really good instruction manual. I mean, it's nice. The instructions, I'm going to use a lot of Google Translate. So I'm not writing in that. I'm going to make copies. This is some sort of silicone bodysuit you get to put on it, and all these little nubs I get to cut off. Electronics. As you get to plug her in. And I already took all the plastic bags off, but these are the runners. Freddie, get off of the table. I have a very curious cat. No, Freddie, this is mommy's. Okay, I know this is the battery for the electronics, weapons, the hands. It's a little flexible in the video. When you glue them together, it's just flat. I know I'm going to have problems there. The S2 engine. Design-wise, I think it looks an awful lot like a very large high grade. But like I said, from the one video, it's Bandai's first attempt at a perfect grade. So I should hopefully have some fun with it, and thanks for watching.